Now this really is a blizzard. You know what the freaky thing is? Because of all the drifting snow. Look at that. There's about 3 or 4 centimeters on flat ground right now. I don't know why they didn't issue a winter storm watch. Oh, they should have. Something just got hit. It's like a major blizzard outside. Even Gare? I mean, well, stupid. Environment Canada didn't even issue a winter storm watch for us. And I did on the site. And I think that I was right doing that. Yeah, there's gotta be at least a foot deep of drifts. I say visibility is only about 100 feet, maybe a bit more. Bunch of mini snow tornadoes everywhere.